we have 65% youth who is under the age of 35 years. So how to use this demographic event for the benefit of development of our country and especially Nagpur is really a very important aspect for Viksit Bharat 2047. If you look at because I belongs to Nagpur University, working in the university for several years, and what I observe, the Nagpur University is giving degrees to every more than 5 lakhs 4 lakhs students are still studying in the Nagpur University. But the major problem remains with the problem of skilling because we provide them theoretical knowledge, but somewhere the youths are lacking skilling. So there is urgent need. We have to focus on skill development of. If you look at the data of Nagpur, Nagpur is having the highest GDP across India. We have the outreach to the Maharashtra also and India also. So if we have a highest GDP and we have more than 30 lakh of population and every year we are growing by 1.5%. So looking at this vast expansion and growth, there is an urgent need for providing proper skilling. Recent data, if you look at the graduates of our Nagpur University or most of the universities across Maharashtra, only 50% youths are having some sort of employability skills. Still, they are working in a low skilling jobs. Whereas 47% do not have proper employability skill, and 12% is most of them. 12% of the total students are unemployable. So this is one of the very important sector which every person has to think. There is an urgent need between the collaboration of academia and industry, because if industry people will come forward, they can help us in designing the curriculum as per their need. Because if you look at in our university, most of the industries, they come for the good quality students, but they won't get. If you look at the scenario of present condition, most of the youths are aspiring to go to Pune, and if they are more higher aspiring, they want to go to the abroad. So somewhere we are lacking in our skilled youths and the manpower, because if everybody will go abroad or the Pune or Bombay type cities, then how the Nagpur will grow? Because we have lot of development in the industry field. Our Mihan, most of the industries are coming, but how they will get the skilled youth in their industry? This is one of the very important point everybody has to think, because this is a forum where all sector people are there. So I urge you all, from the Nagpur University and from the education sector, I urge you all, whatever the requirement you need the youth should have, they should be transformed into the form of a real training. So because as Gadevar sir is also told that NEP is there is a opportunity for on-job trainings and all. So if you try to give them opportunity to our youth, then only the Nagpur will be, future of the Nagpur will be at par with the Viksit Bharat 2047. Because I always imagine the youth from Nagpur should get employment in Nagpur only. Not they will get employment abroad, US or USA and all. They should be in the city only. Then only the city will grow whatever we expect in 2047. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.